Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel, NayTV, enthusiastic about vehicles. In this short episode I'm going to talk about Tesla wheel bolts. Now who would have thought a 5-year-old Tesla would need 20 new wheel bolts? So it turns out my Tesla needed wheel bolts because the wheel bolts that come in the vehicle had perished and expanded. And you wouldn't think of a vehicle being only 5 years old, because I've got vehicles even now, 1994 Toyota Celica, still got the original wheel bolts on it. And you don't normally buy a vehicle where you have to buy wheel bolts for it, as in like you don't normally buy a vehicle and then think, oh, I better buy some new wheel bolts. That's not a thing. Whereas with a Tesla, it turns out that you've got to buy wheel bolts. So they're the old ones, which as you can see are perished. If you look at them in detail, they're all got marks where you can see they've gone round when they should be more square, so they've expanded outwards, versus your normal ones which should look like this. So that's what they should look like, and they gave me some caps to go with it. So £88 and 8 pence later, I now have wheel bolts, so I can now collect my vehicle, because it was having some wheels refurb, which I spoke about in a different episode, and I couldn't collect the vehicle because they said it wasn't safe if I leave with the bolts that were on it. Because again, who would have thought that a 5-year-old vehicle would require wheel bolts just to drive it, which, as I said in a previous episode, I had the wheels refurbished because they got damaged on collection after having a tyre repair done, and it turned out the damage was caused by having dodgy bolts. So I'm NayTV, please like and subscribe. I'll speak to you soon.